I wish we had more time. I mean, I could listen to these guys all day. It's a privilege to be on the same panel as these guys. We are out of time. I'm going to have to condense the last, the traditional wrap-up part again. There's much to do. We have the luncheon coming up next to honor the new inductees into the Canadian Healthcare Marketing Hall of Fame. Please stay for lunch. You have table assignments on the back of your ID, and I think you'll probably find it a very interesting mix of people. Oh, there's Dr. Madden in the back of the room. He's being one of the honorees, and very nice to see him. I guess we'll have to run through the usual disclosures, disclaimers, and all the rest of that, housekeeping notes. Sorry, no time for questions, but please grab the email addresses of the people that you want to communicate with and link to them on LinkedIn and get in touch and stay in touch. So let's see. Okay, in a few moments we're going to go out into the lobby, and that's where we will toast the new inductees into the Healthcare Marketing Hall of Fame. Patrick Cashman of Lundbeck has, as he's done in previous years, brought a couple of cases of Danish champagne along with him. It's made from pickled herring, and I think you'll find it dry and not overly cloying. Evaluation forms, please remember to fill those out. We do them the old-fashioned way, so just scribble something on them. If you want to send us an email afterwards with your comments, we'd really value that. It helps us keep the meeting rolling along. We know you got a lot of other things you could be doing on a Wednesday, and appreciate your time in coming out. A couple of very quick shout-outs. I'd like to thank Alan Ryan, Henry Roberts, Lynn Bradshaw, Josh Long of Chronicle, Charlotte Cantor from Pangea for their great help behind the scenes, particularly Kathy Dussom at Chronicle, who's just absolutely indispensable. What else? 2012 coming up, if you can believe that. It's a leap year. It's going to be the year of the dragon. March 28th is the date, if you can plug that into your device now, your iPad or whatever it is you're carrying around. And it's going to be the 10th anniversary of the Canadian Healthcare Marketing Hall of Fame Awards. If you have a colleague or a mentor or co-worker that you'd like to honor, here's your opportunity. Frankly, we didn't get the usual number of nominees this year, and fortunately it was a very high caliber of the ones that we did get. So I guess that's it. Traditionally, we have a list of the takeaways. Please go to the website to get those. We just don't have time to spend on that. The website is www.pharmacongress.info. One last thing, as we always do, if I can get Joe here on the podium, and Michael, could you join us, please? This is a nonprofit event. Any money that we don't spend on the elaborate AV and the gewgaws and the bowls of mints that are on your table, we send over to the RX&D Health Research Foundation. And there's supposed to be some kind of a giant check here somewhere.
I cashed it.
Did you?
It was my golf bet, sorry.
Yeah, all right. Well, so much for the $50 we spent on the giant check. Could have gone to the RX&D Health Research Foundation. And I guess Russell's probably gone too, right? Yeah, okay. So anyway, fortunately we have $5,000 that we're going to be able to contribute, and that's your money, your company's, so yeah. And thanks to our co-sponsors, IMS Brogan, and to Joe and Pangea Group. It's been a great meeting. Let's go get some champagne.